Jennifer from heysealemon. Usually around this time of year when I'm holiday shopping, I like to avoid the big stores and crowds, and the grocery store is way more convenient, and I think it's actually underestimated because there's a lot of affordable items that you can combine to make really thoughtful gifts, especially if you are a last-minute shopper, which I am guilty of. In this video, I'll show you some of my favorite DIY gift ideas, including more gift ideas you can find throughout the aisles, all made from grocery store items. Before we jump into it, make sure you are subscribed to my channel so you don't miss any of my videos. We are almost to 1 million C subs. Tell me in the comments what you think we should do when we hit that number. Hit that bell so you can be the first to get notified for when I post new videos. And let's get into it. I think cookies are the best when they are homemade, and who doesn't love cookies around the holidays? You can find tons of recipes online to suit anyone's preference. And yes, it makes a mess and you have to get a lot of ingredients from the store, but homemade is from the heart. And don't forget the pups, they love cookies too, so if you have anyone with dogs on your list for gifts, you can check out this video right here for some DIY dog treats. These are pumpkin shaped, but you can adjust the recipe and the shapes to be more holiday themed. Something as small as homemade cookies can really cheer up someone's holiday. And I think grocery stores know this, so some of them offer containers that are holiday themed that are perfect for your baked goods. You can line them with waxed or parchment paper to present your homemade cookies in some really cute containers. Or another option to gift your cookies in smaller quantities, you can stack them and wrap them in plastic wrap and seal the bottom with a sticker, which you can usually find in the greeting cards section at the store. And you can put a bow on top. Either way, you can't go wrong with homemade cookies. Let me know if you have a favorite cookie recipe, and I will put the one that I used in the description below. This next one is for the people on your list that have a favorite drink. There's so much variety down the beverage aisle, and most of the drinks come in a cardboard box that can make a great book cover. And who doesn't want a notebook with their favorite drink on it? To make this one, I'm using one side of the box and 6 sheets of letter-size paper. Fold all of the sheets in half on the longest side and cut each in half. Now stack all of them together centered, and then you have your pages for the notebook. Use one of those sheets to trace for the cover. Trim that out and stack it together with the opened pages so that they are all stacked and centered together like this. Hold the book together with binder clips, and I'll show you how to saddle stitch with staples. Punch out a couple of staples from your stapler and unfold them, and use their width as a guide on the inside of the book. And you can use a thumbtack to pierce the holes through the middle of the book. Then from the cover side, push in the staples. And push down the staples on the inside with something like an eraser. Then remove the binder clips and fold your book in half, and you can press down on the spine so it lays more flat. If you want the cover and the pages to be even, you can trim off just a little bit on the edge. And the key to a smooth edge is to trim it slowly and steady with a craft knife. And something extra I wanted to do, this is totally optional, I wanted to round the corners because I felt like that made it just a little bit more polished of a notebook, so if you have a corner punch, try that as well. Then you have a legit looking custom notebook, saddle stitched with staples, which pairs great with their favorite drink, making a unique, thoughtful gift for your thirsty friends. As you can see, I'm a fan of LaCroix. Let me know what drink you would try this DIY notebook with in the comments. For the people on your list that are really hard to shop for, gift cards and money of course are an option. But if you want to gift it in a fun way, here's how to make a hidden money gift jar. You can usually find jars in the baking section, and you can use any kind of candy that they like. Trim a piece of paper that is the same height as your jar. Then roll it up to make a tube shape and make sure it's wide enough to fit your money or gift cards. Tape the ends, place it in the middle of your jar, and surround it with candy. I went for a money theme, so I have 100 grand, gold, and paydays. Place your gift or money or cards in the middle, and then they have a fun hidden surprise waiting for them in a candy jar. Here are a few more gift ideas that you can make from a combination of items from the grocery store. For the coffee or tea lover, you can combine some of their favorites with a fun mug. Maybe you know someone that's really into fitness. You can combine their favorite protein bars and a fun tumbler to make a fit gift. Or stop by the bulk food area in your grocery store to make one awesome custom trail mix. For the moviegoer, something cozy with some streaming service, gift card, a DVD, or show tickets, and popcorn. For that person who deserves to be pampered, fill a basket or a box with some of their favorite relaxing things. For the cook or baker, combine the kitchen necessities in a mixing bowl with their favorite seasoning. These can make great gifts for your friends, your family, your coworkers, your teachers. I realize everyone's local grocery store is a little bit different, but I hope this video sparks some ideas for your last-minute gift shopping. Hit that like button and let me know in the comments below if you have any other DIY gift ideas made from grocery store items. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and also I'll put a Patreon link right here. You can also find it down below if you want to support my channel and get some perks while you're at it. There's also a link to the YouTube memberships in the description below. And if you want more DIY gift and holiday DIY ideas, check out this playlist right here. All of these links will be down below. Happy holidays, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!